Hey, this is Ken Kraus with Avian Collaboration Solutions again. In the last video, I walked through setting up the social quarter page for the Acme Anvil HR community. Today I'm going to walk through how to templatize these pages to make creating new pages much easier and faster for other users. Here's what our page looked like the last time we left it. It has social content from the Anvil HR community residing in Connections. It includes related experts, files, discussions, events, blogs, etc. What we want to do is take all this work that we did in creating this page and save it as a template so that others can set up social pages for their community simply by changing the associated community page when they create it. So our first step is to go ahead and put the page back into edit mode. Once in edit mode, we select Move Page from the More drop-down menu. Typically, this would let you move the page to another location in the visible navigation, but we're going to move it to the Templates page under Administration. So you want to select Administration, Webster Portal, Portal User Interface, and finally Page Templates. You can see here that there are several templates already available to users out of the box. We'll go ahead and save it at the top level of the templates directory. Once we've done that, we need to remove the Acme HR specific information, kind of genericize this page for others to use. We'll go ahead, we're going to remove the image, associate the page with the generic community in Connections, and clean out some of the content and give it a good description. So first, let's go ahead and give it a useful name and description so that others can find it and use it appropriately. Make sure that the name relates to what the page does, and the description is clear enough so that other people know what the page is used for. I'll call it Collaboration Page for now. Give it a friendly URL name and a description. Next, I'm going to associate this page with an empty community that I have set up in Connections. This can be any public community. It doesn't have to have information or content within it. It's just a placeholder to hold the page so that when the page is instantiated and you select the correct community, the content flows through. And the last thing that I'll do here is I'll go ahead and remove this image just so that the user can select their own at that time. Notice when I saved the page that the conversation portlet lost its content. That's obviously because we associated with a different community that doesn't have any content for now. Now that I've got it fairly genericized, I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. But this time, I'm going to select the template from the list. See, after I give it a name, I'll select Page Template, and I'll find my collaboration page now available as a usable template. You'll see when the page renders, the portlets, colors, layout, and configuration are all there. Now I just need to associate it with the appropriate community, so I'll go back and associate it again with the Acme HR community. This reestablishes the link to all the content so the portlets are scoped to that community and render only that community content. You'll see here that the conversations list has been repopulated with correct information. Had I selected a different community, that community's content would have shown up in these portlets. If you remember from the last video, we set up a landing page for full content, such as blogs, when we clicked on them. We can templatize this as well to make sure it's easier for the remaining landing pages to be set up. We'll follow the same steps to move this to the templates directory, but this time we're actually going to place it under the collaboration page so that it's created whenever a collaboration template page is created. Just like before, I'll edit the properties to give it a description. I'll leave the title alone for now, but you can give it a generic title if you need. Lastly, we need to make some changes into the advanced settings. We need to make sure that the full profile is associated with this page. Then we're going to add a parameter at the bottom. It's ibm.portal.instantiation.community.parent is equal to true. This tells it that when the parent is created, instantiate this page as well. Be sure to hit add again before you hit save. Once that's complete, we have another template, and it's ready to create a new child page using this template. We can go back to our Acme HR page. Under More, create a new child page, and just as before, we'll select the blog template to tell it what type of page we want to create. Subsequent landing pages can be created for the other links, such as profiles, discussions, etc. It's up to the end user. And those can also be templatized so that the entire suite is instantiated at one time. There you have it. Created the page, created the template, and now you're ready to create social community pages across the portal. That's it. Have a good time.